Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the mic not working on our Discord. So for that you need to open up your Discord settings, and in your Discord settings you will be able to find this option of voice and video. When you click on it, it will ask you to connect your microphone. Sometimes we just block our microphone and without us knowing about it. So in case if it has happened with you, you need to allow your permission for your microphone to be used by Discord, and this way you will be able to make your mic work for your Discord. So first thing is you should check it up if your permission is given or not, and secondly, if you have already matched up with all the settings out there, then you need to scroll down to the very end, and here you will find this option of reset voice settings. Make sure that you reset your voice settings and see if it works with you or not. And in case if you are on a mobile device, then you need to open up your app settings and then search for Discord and clear the cache memory of Discord in order to delete all the corrupted files on Discord. And after that your mic should be working fine. And after allowing all of this, you can click on this option of let's check to check your mic. And these are some things that you can use and utilize for making your mic work on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.